News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal, National Commission for Minorities, National Company Law Tribunal, Election Commission of India, National Hydrology Project, Central Employment Exchange, Board of Apprenticeship Training Northern Region, Directorate of Extension, Lady Hardinge Medical College and Srimati S.K. Hospital, New Delhi, Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts and Delhi Jal Board. Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal invites applications from eligible candidates for direct recruitment on following Group A positions for the post of librarian and senior student activity and sports officer. Last date for receipt of application is 16th August 2021. Further details on eligibility, mode of application, etc. can be seen by visiting the institute website www.manit.ac.in/careers. National Commission for Minorities invites applications from retired government servants having experience in accounts, cash handling, uploading of information on various portals, etc. for engagement as Grade 1 consultants for one post of accountant in the Commission initially for a period of 6 months. Format of application and other details may be seen at the Commission's website www.ncm.nic.in. Interested candidates may send their duly filled application form within 60 days of publishing of notice in Employment News. Applications are invited for filling up the following post on deputation basis in National Company Law Tribunal NCLT benches. One post of Registrar, National Company Law Tribunal NCLT. For further details regarding eligibility criteria, educational qualifications, application pro forma, etc., please visit the website nclt.gov.in under the link Public Notices. Last date for receipt of applications through proper channel is 31st August 2021. India International Institute of Democracy and Election Management or Election Commission of India invites applications for the following posts on deputation or contract basis. One post of Dean, School of Election Management and Technology Professor level. One post of Faculty or Assistant Professor, General Management Assistant Professor level. One post of Faculty or Assistant Professor, Election Management Assistant Professor level. One post of Dean, School of Electoral Law Professor level. One post of Faculty or Assistant Professor, Electoral Law Assistant Professor level. And one post of Head, Research and Innovation, Associate Professor level. Willing and eligible candidates from the universities, institutions and organizations under the administrative control of the state governments, statutory organizations, universities, research institutions having recognition from University Grant Commission and also from deemed universities and institutions of eminence may submit their application duly completed in all respect in the prescribed pro forma so as to reach the concerned authority on or before 31st August 2021. For details of advertisement, including educational qualifications, age and eligibility criteria, etc., and also previous advertisement wherein eligibility was restricted to appointment on deputation basis, please visit the website of the Commission www.eci.gov.in. National Hydrology Project NHP Narmada Control Authority Ministry of Jal Shakti Government of India Indore proposes to appoint 2 junior research fellows in Hydromet Directorate under National Hydrology Project to work with ex-MP release related works, water accounted and integrated reservoir operation in Narmada River Basin model, digitization of Narmada River Basin at full development scenario, upgradation of existing database with eSwiss WIMS and other related works in Narmada Control Authority, Indore, MP. The post of Junior Research Fellow is purely temporary and on contract basis initially for 1 year and extendable to till termination of National Hydrology Project subject to satisfactory performance. The vacancy is provisional and subject to change in future. Details regarding eligibility criteria, experience, duties attached to the post, etc. can be seen at website of NCA, namely www.nca.gov.in. Last date of receipt of applications is 45 days from the date of publication in Employment News. Central Employment Exchange invites applications for the following posts by various employers within 60 days of date of advertisement in the prescribed format. Applications received after due date will not be considered. Candidates are required to send their application directly to the respective employers. And one post of vocational instructor hosiery. For detailed information, kindly visit the advertisement published in Employment News dated 24 to 30th July 2021. Applications are invited for the following post on prescribed application format along with requisite fee from the eligible and willing candidates for appointment in Board of Apprenticeship Training, Northern Region, an autonomous body under Ministry of Education, Department of Higher Education, Government of India offices at various locations in India. Applicants already in employment of government or semi-government or PSU or autonomous bodies must submit their application through proper channel. One post of Deputy Director, 3 posts of Assistant Director, 1 post of Assistant, 1 post of Junior Stenographer, 1 post of Upper Division Clerk, 1 post of Lower Division Clerk and 3 posts of Multitasking Staff. Last date of receipt of application is 20th August 2021. For detailed advertisement, please visit recruitment section on the website www.boatnr.org. One vacancy of photographic officer in the Directorate of Extension, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, New Delhi is required to be filled up by promotion, failing which by deputation, including short-term contract. Necessary education qualifications and other requirement including the proforma for furnishing biodata, please visit the website www.agricoop.nic.in and www.krishivistar.gov.in. Suitable and willing officials may apply to the concerned authority by name within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar, along with duly attested photocopies of ACRs or APARs for the last 5 years. Applications are invited to fill up 1 post of physiotherapist, 2 posts of technician, EEG, EMG or NCV and 1 post of technical assistant in dental surgery in Lady Hardinge Medical College and Srimati SK Hospital, New Delhi on deputation basis has been extended for another 30 days from date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. It is further informed that the candidates who have already applied against the previous advertisement published on 20th February 2021 need not apply again. For details, log into website lhmc-hosp.gov.in. Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts proposes to fill up 1 post of Director, National Museum for Manuscripts on deputation or short-term contract basis. Last date for receipt of applications is 30 days from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News. Application form and eligibility details are available at www.ignca.gov.in. Applications are invited for filling up the post of Chief Law Officer on deputation in Delhi Jal Board from the eligible officers. Last date of receipt of application will be the date of completion of 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Eligibility criteria and application format can be downloaded from Delhi Jal Board website, that is www.delhijalboard.nic.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.